Ask guidance from your heart. Ask your heart about this decision. Hello, my friend. How are you? How are you feeling today? I love to see you here. I love to see your progress. Welcome back. 3 attitudes to help you decide better, to make less mistakes, to make better choices. How can I say this word in English? Testemunha. Totally forgot the word in English. But be aware of the choices you make every moment. The best way to prepare yourself to any moment of your future is to be 100% conscious of your present. Pay attention to your thoughts, to your actions. What am I doing now? What am I thinking about? Before you make a decision, ask yourself 2 things. 1, what are the consequences of this choice? 2, is this thing that I'm doing going to bring happiness for me and for the people around me? Ask guidance from your heart. Ask your heart about this decision. If you feel comfortable with it, go ahead. If you don't feel comfortable with this decision, ask twice. Think about it. Comment here 1 attitude that helps us make better decisions. I want to be inspired by your words. Yes, my friend, you inspire me. Thank you very much. I am Felipe Gibi. See you next class. Today we study the 4th spiritual law of success, the law of the least effort.